Feeling lost in the SEO tool jungle? Trying to figure out which weapon will actually help you conquer Google? Today, we're diving headfirst into a Keysearch vs Ahrefs showdown, dissecting their features, pricing, and overall user experience to help you choose the perfect SEO sidekick. First up, keyword research. Keysearch excels at quick and dirty keyword research. Its interface is intuitive, giving you search volume, keyword difficulty, and related keywords in a flash. It's perfect for beginners and those on a budget. Ahrefs, on the other hand, goes deep. Think advanced filters, keyword grouping, and a massive database. It's the power user's playground, ideal for in-depth analysis and uncovering hidden keyword gems. When it comes to competitor analysis, Keysearch offers a solid overview of your rivals' backlinks and keywords. It's a great starting point to see what they're up to. But Ahrefs takes competitor analysis to a whole new level. Expect detailed traffic estimations, content gap analysis, and a comprehensive look at their entire SEO strategy. You'll practically be reading their minds. Both tools offer rank tracking. Keysearch provides daily rank updates and historical data, keeping you informed about your keyword performance. Ahrefs takes it up a notch with advanced reporting and the ability to track your competitors' rankings alongside your own. Stay one step ahead of the game. Let's talk money. Keysearch is the budget-friendly option, with plans starting significantly lower than Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a premium tool, reflecting its robust features and data. The cost is higher, but the depth of insights is undeniable. In conclusion, Keysearch is your go-to for ease of use and affordability. Perfect for those starting out. Ahrefs is the powerhouse, offering unparalleled data and advanced features for serious SEO professionals. Choose wisely, based on your budget and your SEO goals.